Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change your forward focus antenna. First, gather your tools, including a small adjustable wrench and your new antenna. Make sure your vehicle is parked securely on a flat surface with the engine off. This ensures your safety and provides a stable working environment. The process is straightforward, but attention to detail will prevent any damage to your car's finish or the antenna base. Let's get started with the removal process. Now let's remove the old antenna. Locate the antenna on the roof of your forward focus, typically near the front. Hold the antenna base firmly with one hand to keep it from spinning. With your other hand, grasp the antenna mast and turn it counterclockwise. It should unscrew relatively easily. If it's a bit stiff, apply gentle, consistent pressure. Once loose, continue unscrewing until the old antenna is completely detached from the base. Set it aside carefully. With the old antenna removed, it's time to install your new one. Take your new forward focus antenna and carefully align its threaded end with the antenna base on your car's roof. Begin turning the new antenna clockwise. You should feel it catch the threads smoothly. Continue to screw it in until it feels snug. It's important not to over-tighten, as this could strip the threads or damage the antenna base. A firm hand tightening is usually sufficient for a secure fit. Finally, let's perform a quick check. Ensure your new antenna is standing upright and feels securely attached to the base. Give it a gentle wiggle to confirm it's not loose. Then, hop into your forward focus and turn on the radio. Tune into a few different stations to verify that your reception is clear and strong. This confirms your new antenna is working perfectly. For other great deals, and to find out more about those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.